2 minutes. This is my Windows. I'm creating an application profile. WebSphere app server bin. Okay. I have this is my Linux box. This is different machines. Okay. This is different machines. Wait one second. Yeah. This is Linux OS. Okay. Okay. This is Linux OS. This is Windows OS. Starinfo.bat. Okay. What is this? 9090 Okay. Linux OPT IBM WebSphere app server bin starim starinfo.sh. Okay. 90516. Both are in the same product, same version. Now I am creating application server profile in in Windows. Okay, manage profiles.bat hyphen create hyphen profile name appsrv05. Okay, hyphen profile path. I will give my profile path. Okay, I am giving my profile path. Okay, appsrv05. Okay, hyphen template path app server profile templates default. Okay, this is profile creation in Windows. We have to see hyphen cell name appsrv underscore cell 05 hyphen node name appsrv underscore node 05 hyphen server name text server hyphen server type application. Okay, this is application server profile. I given wrong. Okay, I am updating. I have already box. I have already installed a product. Already installed. I tried. I have only one Dmgr. See, I have only one Dmgr. I already federated another application server profile 4 CD for testing purpose. I have CD. Okay, this is application server 4. This is application server 4. Okay, I have no application server profiles. I have only application server 5 is in the Windows. I have started my Dmgr dot slash start server dot sh Dmgr. I am starting the Dmgr. I'm starting DMGR. This is wait in this profiles. See, application server 5 is there. Okay, it will already created. Okay, in this logs cat about this profile.txt. This is 8887. This is 9066. This is Linux box. I am stopping firewall D. Okay, this is I stopped firewall. I am login with see IP address with Linux box. Okay, or this one 9066 slash IBM slash console. I am login host name space. This is 9066 my Linux box. I open or okay. After this, this is Linux box. This is server is started 90514. Host name is Ganesh. Okay, I will show my host name after installing. Okay, my profile is installed successfully. I will show my host name. This is Ganesh is the host name. See, Ganesh is there. My IP address is VAS server. This is host name, host name, host name. Okay, this is config. See, this is my IP address. Okay, this have another DMGR is there. Okay, I will open that 9060. One is Linux box. One is this is lam. This is Windows completely Windows product. This is completely Windows product. This is Windows to Linux migration. This is sorry federation. Now I am going to federate. I am going to federate. I am going to federation. Yard node dot bad. What is the DMGR host name? This is a Linux box. Okay. If you want IP address, I will. This is my IP address. Okay. Got 128. I will give. Okay. This is 8887 is my DMGR IP address. This open report number. The one is Windows, one is Linux. Okay, this also federation is successfully connecting to the DMGR. Both are must and should be same version. I prepared that the documentation for future reference. Add application server node 5 to DMGR shell. After that, I have two servers. I will make it as a cluster. One is Windows product, one is Linux and Windows product. Both are okay. This is completely Windows product. This is I have two application server 4. Next application server 5 will coming. See, application server profile 5 is coming. Okay, already profile is federated. Now I am starting the server here. I am starting the console also. Yes, no issues. I will start server. See Ganesh. Host name is Ganesh. Ganesh means Windows server. My Linux is VAS server. See, host name is VAS server. Out these two, I will make it as a cluster. Different OS also WebSphere product is supports different OS and make it as Windows servers and Linux servers. Will make it as a single console. It will also possible. Okay, I have I have VAS 8 products now. Product also is there. See, this is 8500. What is the command? This okay. I have 9 version in this path. Both are must and should be same version. Otherwise, we cannot federate the node. So 90516. What is the path? PWD. Okay, started. I am making as a cluster of two nodes, two Windows nodes. Okay, please see two Windows application server nodes. Test Windows. I have test Windows 01. I will make it as this. I will take this means already I have a server. By using this, we have to create the members. Test Windows 02. I will make it as a this. I am selecting this. By using this, we have make it as a cluster. After this, finish. Finish. This is Windows cluster review and sync. Save. This is Linux box. This is this is 9043 Windows. See, I have all servers. This is not okay. Windows means no use. Okay, I have Windows. All servers are down. This also I will make it as a down. I operate Linux Dmgr, and remaining are all application server is Windows servers. I am stopping Windows Linux. Okay, I am stopping 9043. I am starting the cluster. Keep remember Dmgr is Linux. Two application server, no application server profiles are Windows. Don't forget this. This also make possible. I tried this for your reference. I am showing this. When I Windows, I will show the evidence. See, I will show my evidence. See, device name Ganesh. Okay, Windows product. I am deploying application in Windows to application server and make it as a cluster, and I make it as now I am creating one application server profile in the Linux machine dot slash manage profiles dot sh hyphen create hyphen profile name appsrv1 hyphen profile path opt ibm websphere app server profiles. I am creating Linux application server profile. opt ibm websphere app server profile templates. Oh, sorry, default hyphen cell name appsrv underscore cell1 hyphen node name appsrv underscore node 01 hyphen server name. Here I am using my Windows Linux box, means I am giving Linux underscore app server hyphen server type application server. Okay, this this is the profile creation in Linux. I already created two profiles in Windows, and I have two profiles in Linux machine. One is Dmgr, another one is application server. I am federating Linux server also for Dmgr. cd logs, cd manage profiles, tail hyphen 5f. Wait 2 more minutes. After this, I have federated line 2 one Dmgr and application server in the command prompt. Otherwise, in a console, this is very important concept. Now this time I enable the firewall. Okay. Okay. Instacom success. CD profiles. CD app server 1 CD bin. I am adding node to the DMGR shell 387. Okay. Two profile C's I will show what I did. Okay. First is install the VS product in Windows and Linux. Both are in same versions. Next one, I have created the Dmgr profile in Linux machine, and I have created the application server profile in Windows machine, and fourth one federated into the Dmgr with app server. A server. One first one Dmgr in Linux. I have appsrv04 and appsrv05 Windows. Okay, this is the steps I followed. Verified. Now I will see in the class after this. After this, the fifth step, I have created the appsrv1 profile in Linux machine. That move to the Dmgr Linux machine. Okay. Now at this point of time, I have two profiles. One is DMGR, one is appsrv01 Linux, Windows appsrv04 and appsrv05 will shows in console. Host name for Windows Ganesh, hostname for Linux machine, VAS server, IP address for Linux 192.168.88.128. Okay, IP address for Windows 192.168.121.1. This so in this case, I am showing Linux servers and VAS servers both are in same box. Yes, this is the Linux servers. I am starting. These two are Windows. See, all are in Windows. VAS server means Linux machine. For reference, I will make it as a Linux underscore app server. 4.5 in Windows server. Ganesh is the host name. Yeah, this is the new concept. Okay, any doubts? Ping me in the chat. Any doubts? Ping me in the live chat. Okay. After this, I will add the cluster member. After this, federation. Okay. The cluster. I am adding the cluster member. You see already added. Okay. Test to Windows Server 3. I'm adding next. Next. Okay. Review. Which configuration file is changing? Cluster and server XML. Okay. Server.xml is the main configuration, and the server index.xml is the main configuration also in port numbers purpose. For some confusion, here no confusion. Okay, I will deploy the application in Windows and two Windows servers and one Linux servers. Both are merged in the merges in the one cluster. I will deploy the application same. Working or not, we have verify the same. Yes, I am going to the application. Click new application, new enterprise application, choose file. I have one plans by WebSphere is there. I have here file. I am selecting next, fast forward, next, selecting all, and I am selecting cluster test windows is the my cluster, test windows cluster for failover control purpose. I will select all, binding, WebSphere binding. Say which configuration files. These are the configuration files. Save. Battery charging. Okay. All are done. Go to the application server types. I am starting the application and access the application through port number and context. Yes. Now go to the cluster. Cluster. What is the cluster one port number? Windows server. Okay. Port default port. What is the default port? 9088. I am accessing application. Uh, 9088 not configure under the virtual host. So I will virtual host, default host alias. See 9088 is not configured. So I will make it as 9088 enable review and virtual host.xml file is updating. Okay. Now I will check. I will restart. Maximum restart is happened. I will verify and restart the cluster member. Then working is fine. No issues. No issues. I will try only cluster member one. If working, remaining all everything is done. Now verify. Okay. Now this time, which host name? Also confusion here. Yeah, login with Windows host name for Windows host name. Application server is where you can get that is only host name is okay. Windows host name as a Windows server, right? Windows application as a Windows. Okay, this is Linux box. Okay, what is the port number? I will check. I will configure Win. Thus 9088 9089. So here port conflict issue is there. Cluster member 3 port conflict issue. So I will make it as I will change application accessing port number. There is 9088 is same. So I will make it as 9081 virtual host.xml server index.xml. Sorry, that is a Linux machine, right? No issue. I will not change it. One is Linux machine, another one is two Windows machines. I will configure. I will change Windows, right? I will put 9088, no issues. I will put 9088, no issues. But a host name is different, right? Yeah, here change it. Okay, wait 1 minute. I will change. I will configure virtual host 9089. For this, I'm creating one more. Host name is VAS server. Here 9088 Linux machine. I am restarting the cluster number 2 and 3. One is VAS server is Linux. Then I say the Windows. This is 9080, 9089, this is 9080 in Linux. I will access through Linux port number and first name. This is the tricky concept. Hello. Ah, ah, ah. Okay. 9089. See application accessing. 9080. See application accessing. 908 9088 in Linux machine. This is Ganesh is Windows. No confusion, no confusion. Okay. I will down one cluster member. Failover control is working fine or not. I will verify. Server 4 is down due to some reasons. Due to some reasons. Okay. Now I will verify. So now it's not there, not coming. Okay. Server down. How it's come means already stored. I will open private window. Yeah. Down. Okay. Server is down. Yeah. Now I will make it as up. This is Windows Linux Federation in WebSphere application server. This also possible. This is failover control. This is horizontal cluster. Two machines. Right? Horizontal cluster like this. One machine is down. See, I will down my machine. I have down my machine and another application server is working fine. No issues, no issues. The thing happened. Okay. This is a new concept. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching this. Okay. Please subscribe to the channel. I will close the session. If you want, please ping me the chart or ping me the personal number. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.